Mud gun and tapping drill machine. Furnace tapping equipment for metallurgical furnace. Rotating arm design, hanging type design, rail type design, designed for all furnace types and optimized for diverse front-of-furnace environments. Poker device, tap hole drilling, and mud gun, 3-in-1. Poker stroke, 3 to 5 meters. Tapping hole stroke, 1.6 to 2.5 meters. Mud gun capacity, 50 to 180 liters. Drill bit diameter, 65 to 100 millimeters. Applicable furnace type, 6300 to 80,000 kVA. Contact us for customized solutions or more steel industry equipment.